you po. Taga saan ka? From Legazpi City po. From Legazpi City.
Oo nga, ang ganda ng face.
Ganda.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Oh, are you in school?
Yes.
Saan?
Legazpi City Science High School po.
Ay, sayang. Alam mo, friendship, ang hirap makapasok sa mga ganyan. Kasi di ba, may requirement talaga na science. Yes, kasi yung pamangkin ko nasa Philippine Science and from her school, 4 lang silang nakapasok. So parang, alam mo talagang grabe yung competition. That means talaga, you have to be in the top 3% of your class. Wow. So, anong gagawin mo for ASMA now? Are you singing? Are you interpreting? Are you
I'm going to sing and act. I'm going to do a theater acting.
O sige, Justin May, go!
Parang tutulog ata. Acting sa bandana. Oh? Kasi ko,
Reaching for you. I finish on the brush my head, but there's just the light on my head. What's here goes, what's it like? With miracles and hope, different sides, different bodies. This is the one, bring him to me. You will be who you want to be. Can't choose whatever Can't help your chest. I swear I'll give my love. No one can stop what I must do. I swear I'll give my life for
Tama? May I just know bakit ang pinili mong eksena ng gampanan was for, di ba yung sabi sa Igonan yung nagpakamatay siya para kunin yung anak niya?
Oo, para maibigay niya kasi na heartbroken siya. Kasi nagkasawa na si
Chris. Oo. Tapos, hindi, para walang choice si Chris, pero kunin yung bata kasi nga ayaw niyang ma-stop sila. Why did you choose such a mature material?
Because sa tingin ko po, doon ko bumabak sa yung talent ko po sa acting.
Okay, friendship.
Maganda yung mukha mo, asawa ni Chris. Opo, yung after po that, yung kinakaus nila po, nakakabili naman siya dun sa ano.
Paano nalaman ang story ng Saigon? Because you're so young, imposible na napanood mo nung nag-present sila sa CCP. Di ba boss, ikaw in charge ng time na yun? Ano?
Hindi po, kasi idol ko po talaga si Miss Leia. Tapos, yung story po na Miss Saigon, pinanood ko
Boss?
Acting-wise, I think you're very,
Thank you so much.
you could bring the emotion of the song in your act. Galing mo kumante.
Thank you so much.
Boss, ayun yung friendship ko nakita mo rin na she's a more Pinay version of Maha Salvador. Pero, you know, yung pagkamaamo ng mata, nandun talaga. Pwede kang artista. Kaya ako yun. So what?
So you presented two talents. One is singing and one is acting. Acting, you're 100%. But singing, I'll give you a failure.
So, paano yun, boss?
So happy singing.
No, yes ba yan, boss? No, yes.
Uh,
Yes! Yes!
I'll give you the best.
Sige. Yeah. Because that's your gift. So, ako, I'm also saying yes. Boss, ang talent niya, makahanap ng talent. Kaya, ano kaya?
I hope the production people of PBS will see you and most probably give you an audition. So the ladies want to give you a chance, so I'm going to give you a chance to say yes.
Ito naman ang boses mo doon, boss. Hindi, and ano kasi, the camera likes your face. So already that's a big plus. And huwag kang mag-apura to be anything else but 15. Kasi kulang na kulang yung age bracket na yan. Okay, enjoy it well. Good luck, thank you.
Yung parang pinadala mo yung sa mother. Sa mother health ko. Bakit